Hey, yes, you. I'm talking to you. Hello, my name is Awile and I'm from Vicat Studio. And today I'll be showing you guys some cultural Igbo dance steps. You move like this, in and out, in and out. Please remember, whenever you are dancing your cultural dance, you don't have to stand. You have to bend. When you bend, you make the dance beautiful. This Igbo dance, we use our waist. You move this waist like this. First of all, you move your right leg and you balance. Your left leg and you balance. Your right leg and you balance. So, like this. Smiling.